Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we'll take a look at a market inefficiency. An inefficient move is when price moves quickly. So let's go onto the charts and see how the price moves quickly, what exactly we're looking for in an inefficient market move, and how to take this reversal trade. Here we're looking at an inefficient market move. This is Pound New Zealand 5-minute chart. An inefficient move is where price takes off in a direction very, very quickly. Here we see that the price is just going up and down and it's following its regular normal path that it would follow in any given market condition. However, then we see something come into the market that drives the price up very, very fast. So in just a couple of candles here, price has moved quite a bit. So this is an inefficient market move. Basically, it just creates this pop in the market, and usually it's a result of some comment that comes out on the news wire. So once we see this inefficient market move, the next step is we wait for it to get into a resistance level. As we can see here, this is 50 level here. As well, we have our pivot point R1 level. So price goes into this resistance level and then starts to bounce off of that level, and it's not able to break the high. So it's very important to make sure that the price does not break the high, because if it does break the high, then it could continue on in the upwards direction. So we have to wait for price to give us rejections of the resistance. And once we get good solid bearish candle close, we can enter our trade short here. So in this case, we're looking for price to retrace this sudden move that it made in the upwards direction. So we are entering the trade short. So we want to go in the opposite direction of this move. We would enter the trade short here. Our stop would go above the high here. We want to make sure there is enough room for the trade to breathe, and we wait for price to drop. While we enter our entry point here, we can also put our take profit target in place. And the take profit target would be where the price started moving upwards from. So this is where the move started. So we're looking for price to come back to the exact same location here. As we can see, price comes right back to the base of the move here, and then it starts to find support, and then it can go upwards here. Our trade is done once price hits this take profit target here. So just to recap here, inefficient market move is where the price moves very, very quickly in just one direction. It doesn't do this back and forth, just pops right out. And we're looking for trading this in the opposite direction of this move. So we're looking to sell this. Once we see that the price is not able to break the highs, we are looking for a good solid bearish candle close so we can enter the trade short. Once we get this red bearish candlestick here, we can enter our short trade here. Our stop would go above the highs here, making sure there's enough room for trade to breathe just in case price comes and tests this level once again. So we would stay in the trade till the price comes into the base of the move here. We would already have our take profit target in place here, and we would be taken out of the trade once the price gets down here. So from entry to exit here, we get 56 pips in the trade. So our profit is 56 pips or $560 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well.
As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this episode, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.